What's up everybody, welcome back to another video. TopHatPlus here. Today I wanted to show you an epic garage. Using my car, my trailer, and my expertise, we have fully renovated this absolutely wicked garage. This is my new company, Odd Job Bob. We did a pretty wicked two-tone. Mirrors, gotta have mirrors. Everything about the garage is just nice, it's simple. We didn't get into any electrical work, ordered those new LED garage lights that are the triple panel and pointable. So I just got to kind of point it back. As you can tell, it's pitch black outside and it is nice and lit in here for only 2 light fixtures. The garage lights don't really do a whole lot of anything, but as you can tell, these lights do more than enough. So yeah, pretty sweet. Odd Job Bob, TopHatPlus, one and the same, but totally different. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. A lot more garage news to come. Hint, hint, this is not my garage, but I will soon have one.